Good morning, everyone, and it's time to analyze Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, how they're gonna perform in this week. So first, let's see the weekly chart. Let's do study in the sense that we study the trend, we study the momentum, we study the volume, we study volatility and price as well. So studying the trend, it's really consolidating in a narrow range, even in the weekly chart. There is a bullish candle which has come last week, but overall it is having a narrow range structure. Let's plant some indicators. MACD tells us the momentum, and linear curve tells us the linear regression curve tells us the trend. Trend is upwards on the weekly chart. The daily chart trend has shifted towards sell side, and daily chart matters the most. And even there is some negative short covering, negative long unwinding in the MACD. And if you see the open interest for volume, so there is support at 24,000, but not so much resistance in volume. There is resistance at 24,500. Let's see it in 15-minute chart. Due to the very bullish day on Friday, the data might be biased towards buy side, but we have to analyze in a all-rounded way because crude, if you see, crude is rising up and has come till 84. In this situation, we have some metrics that we need to follow. If MACD turns back into a cross under, then we have the support of 24,200. After that, at 24,000. If something drastic happens, it can reach up till 24,000. 300 points deduction. If something drastic does not happen, then 24,200 is our support. For resistance, let's plant a Fibonacci. Taking it as 25 level, 0.25. Next resistance comes at 24,551. If price breaks out from 24,364. If there is a gap up, the next resistance is at 24,551. If there is no gap up or a gap down due to crude or due to global tensions, then our support is at 24,200. This range in particular, this range will be our supporting area from 24,230 to 24,200, 175.24. This area will be our crucial support level. To measure the resistance, there is a fair value gap at this area, and there is call writing as well, starting with 24,411 till 24,454. So 24,454 is where a place, if gaps up comes, you book your profits. Beyond this is crucial underwriting, call writing. Let's also check Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is ready to make all highs only. It's in rigid bullish zone, but this area would be our support level because it has equal call writing as well as put writing somewhat. If support breaks down, the next support would be at this level. Which is at 57.35, 435, 57,435. So these zones are the ones which we need to keep in mind of. Rest, if there is a gap up, this is where you book your profits, which is at 58,985. Let's measure it with Fibonacci as well. $618 is correct. So that concludes that yes, this is where you book your profits. This is a high resistance zone. 58, 59,000 almost. So this is the recommendations for the week upcoming, not for just tomorrow or Monday. This is what happens in the upcoming week. I have analyzed a microstructure of 15-minute chart, but it's just a test of hypothesis. Thank you for watching.